Hello.
Hi, I'm here from Xiaomi.
Come on in.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
Come on in.
Thanks, man. Hey, Christian, lovely place you have here.
Oh,
I've got
thank
a lot
you.
of goodies for you here today. Where would you like them?
You can put them here.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
How's your day today?
Oh, it's better for being here. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Christian and I'm a Xiaomi fan. I originally worked in a Xiaomi store way back a few years ago. I saw this Xiaomi renovation post and I decided that it would be a good idea to apply for it. A few weeks ago, I got this email from Xiaomi telling me that I've been chosen on the Xiaomi renovation, which is quite exciting. I couldn't wait for them to come to my house and bring those products in. Let's find out what product Xiaomi renovation will bring into my home.
So Christian, today I have brought to you some of the latest and greatest Xiaomi products to hopefully make this amazing space you've got here even smarter and just improve your life in ways that hopefully you didn't even think was possible.
Yeah, I'm so excited to check this out.
Some of my favorite products are here, and honestly, I really think this is going to just help improve your lifestyle and really just become part of your daily routine.
Yeah, definitely. This would actually add up to a lot to my smart home devices that I have already.
Well, let's get cracking and let's try some of these out.
Yeah, so excited. Xiaomi has given me the Mi LCD writing tablet, which my son would love writing on it. And the product that I'm so excited about is this Mi Smart Projector 2 Pro. It has a built-in Netflix, it has a Chromecast in it, it also has a Google Assistant, which is a complete package for your home or for my home theater. Another cool device that they've given me is the Xiaomi Smart Speaker, which I can control my smart devices at home because it has a built-in Google Assistant. Xiaomi Smart Camera for extra peace of mind when I'm away from home. You can never get enough of smart bulbs. This is gonna be an addition to what I have set up at home. This wireless charger is a great pair to my Xiaomi 12 Pro. With this Mi Body Composition 2 scale would keep me on top of my health goals. Xiaomi Pad 5 that would entertain me on the go and also help me control my smart devices. Thank you Xiaomi for choosing me and my home for the Xiaomi renovations. Bye!